the Meme Podium, where we talk about memes, wags, some news, F1 news, and checker thoughts.
Yeah.
So, anong i-unpack natin first?
Our favorite
memes
in the Monza.
Naku, ang daming
Italian
memes.
GP.
Ang hirap pumili this time, Rachel.
Sino una?
Tebena, go.
Ano muna? Okay, at least. Ako yata yung nahuli last time. So, nasa na nga yun? There you go. So, this is my favorite meme.
Yes.
I don't think it's a...
If Max wins every remaining race, Piastri and Norris each have one DNF, otherwise always P2 and P3. Piastri always takes P3, then Max would be the world champion by just 1 point.
Sino masasabi ko dyan? Deludo. But who knows?
Exactly.
Now is Max.
What do they call it? Yung parang ano? Hindi ba fairy tale story?
Oh, it's a
Cinderella story.
Na coming from
So,
nowhere.
Max ka na all the way or Lando pa din?
Hindi, Lando pa din.
Okay.
Pero,
It would be
it
good.
would be really good. A good story, a good deep drive to survive.
Ang
storyline,
comeback,
a comeback story.
May nakita ko naka-Excel sheet yung mga points.
Lagi sila kasi yung effort na ginawa whoever did this one.
Yung pag-math.
Oh, yung pag-math niya, yung talagang...
Kasi may sprint races coming up na siya daw, basta mananalo siya the race and the sprint race.
Okay.
Diba? Talagang may nag-isip. Hindi ko alam kung from Red Bull team to, talagang
Wala, fan niya.
fan lang
Feeling ko
talaga.
naman
Diba?
na
So,
nila
whoever
yan.
did this
Yeah.
meme, good job. And Max, good luck!
Go, Max!
Go, Max! Anyhow, okay. That's it for me.
Ako is F1 braking. For the first time, McLaren is more trolled than Ferrari.
Corona.
Thank you.
Totoo naman, dahil sa kung ano.
Nakahinga-hinga yung Ferrari lista.
Yung ano, PR.
Ang
Social media. Review nyo muna.
Hindi nila kailangan mag-damage control.
Yung McLaren strategy ang inaway nila.
Yes. It's their time.
For Kaya masaya nga yung dalawang drivers, si Leclerc at si Hamilton.
Namapahinga sila ngayon.
Pahinga.
Pahinga.
Akin, McLaren related. Asa na ba? Yung about dun nga sa calls. Ito na, gusto ko yung mga memes na. Oscar, Lando's girlfriend broke up with him. Make it fair. Please break up with your girlfriend as well. Oscar, Lando sees, please slow down and hand him a tissue on the next day.
Sino kami gawa niya?
Oscar, Lando just lost his front wing. Please box and remove yours as well. Ang dami.
Sobrang dami.
Oo, talaga ano.
Oscar, it's Zach. Please finish at least 6 points behind Lando and 25 points the next race. So you are even on points with Lando. It's only fair. McLaren.
Correct.
We'll see. Yes.
Sobrang daming issue. Okay, but yun nga, we'll circle back to
We'll see the next race kung yun pa rin.
Feeling ko marami
Kung yun pa din ang
drama
ang issue. Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Malay
So,
natin.
Next
Wags.
Okay.
This is your
segment.
Yeah.
Anong chika ngayon?
Ano
Anong
ba
ngayon?
yung sinend ko sa inyo, di ba? Yung tatlong wags.
Nakita ko
yata yun.
That's Alex, Rebecca,
and Kika.
Kika.
Sino si Kika?
Yung kay Pierre Gasly.
Maganda rin yung
Ano siya? Portuguese?
Parang Portuguese
din.
And Maggie was there as well. So,
Andun di ba siya tatlong naglalakad?
Si
Ay,
Maggie
hindi,
yung kay
I mean, in the
okay, yung kay pinag-usapan natin last.
Last
So,
time.
it's Maggie. But for me, the main highlight.
Doon din si Rebecca. Rebecca was in the race
yes.
too.
And Kelly was there. Yun
Kelly.
nga, Lucky Charm.
Sa akin si Kelly pa rin yung pinamaganda. I don't
Ito
know.
yung kay Max.
Yeah.
Ako, Alex pa rin talaga. Bias ko na yan. So,
Si Alex ba ang
ang
ating
ganda ng
ano?
fashion ni Alex.
Kasi,
Para
Saan
sponsored siya this time kasi all weekend, naka-dolce si Mama.
There you go.
Yes. So, ipakita mo dyan yung rose heels ni Alex na
Okay.
nag-trending.
Mhm.
So, ayun, mayroon siyang mga behind the scenes na fittings with Dolce. So, yun. Yun lang naman. Yun lang naman. Yun lang naman.
Sino yung kakasaya niya?
Natuwa lang ako. Yan. Kasi maganda talaga yung mga, parang kinitin niya yung weekend. Ang gusto ko rin is Shanghai. Yung fashion niya is very, like Chinese.
Parang
Ang ganda
kumbaga
ng
kung
mga-
ano yung
my
country
God,
where they
yes.
are.
Kasi Dolce is Italian.
Oh, so ano kayang fashion niya sa Baku, no? Wala.
Wala siya doon.
So then, si Alex ba is started as a model or influencer?
Student siya eh. Bata pa siya.
Tapos,
Parang, and then,
Ayun na, nagkaroon
nagkaroon siya ng
following.
platform, and then, naging parang influencer.
So influencer basically siya. Tapos,
More or less.
Oo. Gotcha. There you go.
Yes.
Well, there. Yun lang
Meron
naman.
pang celebrity sighting si
Si
Bridgerton.
Si Phoebe.
Nandun siya.
We are the ones
in the Ferrari. Hindi ko din alam. At saka si yung Pinoy,
Sinong Pinoy?
Yung Canadian.
yes! Si
Si Angeline.
Yung ano rin siya,
Angeline.
car aficionado
Oo,
din sila,
marami.
diba?
Si Joey
Oo,
Mead.
yes.
Yeah.
No, they had a close encounter with Hamilton,
Oo.
diba? Kinilig nga si
VIP kasi sila. So,
Nag-hi sa kanya si Louis.
Okay,
Segue to VIP tickets.
yes!
A public service announcement na yung Melbourne Grand Prix. Tickets are on sale.
Yes. So, may pre-sale ang Amex, and then may ano yung tawag dyan? General sale.
Ongoing.
So, ayun.
Ang mahal na niya.
Guys, ang mahal.
Ang
So
mahal.
far, sabi niyo nga.
Sobrang mahal.
Parang nanonood kami every year.
Sila.
Ngayon,
Kasama ka last year.
last year, yes.
But not every year.
Pero ngayon lang yung parang talagang hindi na
Magkano
talaga
tinaas
namin ma-push.
So kung
Parang
bakit
30% ata.
yung ticket natin last year, anong equivalent na niya
We
ngayon?
were in the new grandstand.
Yeah.
What
How much
was
is it? 380 something, right? Yung
Di,
grandstand
parang
natin.
280 something lang.
No, it was
Parang 300
300.
plus.
300 plus. So
Ganyan.
magkano na siya ngayon? Equivalent grand.
So, but we didn't like that grandstand last year,
Hindi, gusto ko
diba?
lang makita yung increase niya.
So, yung sa yung gusto namin ni ate is fun.
Funny
Favorite
show.
talaga namin.
Yung sa pit, yung
Ah,
sa grid.
Yeah.
grid.
So, ngayon na parang nasa around 580 or something.
One day lang yan.
For qualifying.
For qualifying only.
Yeah.
They
last time, ilan?
450, I think.
450
Oo.
qualifying din.
Day two.
Qualifying.
Dalawa. We did qualifying and race day.
2 days.
No. Nung 2 years ago, qualifying na.
2020.
Matagal na tayo yung
2022 yung qualifying
and race day.
Mas mura pa yun.
Kaya pa yun.
Oo.
Kaya kami nakapag 2 days. And then, nagmahal, quali na lang.
So yung quali nga, magkano yun? Ayun yung, hindi.
Now,
Now?
Oo.
Oo.
yun
Yun,
nga,
500.
around 580. ganyan.
500 qualifying.
And then, pag nag-race ka around, yung race day, 700-ish.
Pero mas, lalabas siyang mas economical kung bibilin mo 4 days.
Oo.
ganyan.
So,
pero
pili
mahal
siya.
pa din Nasa
Oo.
900. Si Oscar, there's a dedicated grandstand for
for Oscar, which is in
the-
Fancho rin naman.
Yung podium,
Yeah.
kung saan
Mm.
magpo-podium.
Pero sobrang mahal.
1,000
Yeah.
plus
Pero
for
4
4
days.
days. Pero ang one day niya, 800. So parang,
So, pinupush ata talaga nila to do 4
mag 4
days. But
days.
like,
Oo. Kung talagang fan ka, I guess, worth it.
It's a lot.
Yes. 200, average 200 a day.
So guys, nag-downgrade na ulit kami from quali. Friday na lang kami.
Friday na lang.
Friday
We'll
grand
watch the free
practice
practices.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. And then I think we have higher chance of seeing the
Seeing the driver.
Yun may importante rin.
Yun ang ako yun ang importante sa akin.
Yes.
We'll try to catch them on the Melbourne Walk.
Yes.
Diba?
So, aga
Ayun.
na, 4 a.m.
Lakas yung magsalita. Friday yun, no? Anyhow.
Anyhow, and then magkakaroon na tayo ng new races. In
Yes.
2028? Bangkok?
2026 first in Madrid.
Okay, right.
And then in 2028 in Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Baka doon na tayo may pag-asa mag-VIP. Chos!
Why not? Sandali. Additional 2 races na yun. Saan nila isisiksik yun? Halos linggo-linggo may races na.
Yeah, we'll see.
So,
But
shorten yung
I think
break.
there's a track that they haven't renewed yet. So,
may mga-
tapos merong track na parang every other year lang.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes
I
sense.
hope they would keep it, because the 24 races is
Kaya
already
nga.
a lot.
Oo.
Correct.
You know, carbon emissions, guys.
Yeah.
Ang environment.
Environment.
and yung logistics din. Can you imagine the mechanics? The
Yeah,
drivers,
yeah.
they can fly in and out
Yes.
through their private
Oo.
jets, right?
Yung logistics yung iniisip.
Pero yung team mismo, like, how can they spend time with their family, they're traveling?
Yun
Yeah. Yeah. Well.
Oh, well, that's
We'll
why they get
see.
paid the big bucks.
Yes.
That's
Yun nga.
That's the life of being in F1.
correct.
Gusto ko na-try yung Bangkok.
Ako
We'll
din.
see. Yeah.
Baka ma-sponsor na tayo ng podcast.
By that time.
2028 naman.
Perfect is kung magkasunod na linggo yung Bangkok at saka yung Singapore.
Usually
Yeah.
naman they would
They would
time
do
it.
that.
But although ang
Bidding
Melbourne
din yun
side,
Bidding din yung
order
ng race.
Talaga? Akala ko fix na yun. For the entire,
may
bidding
bidding din
for 5 years.
like yung UA, yung mga medal is
Ah,
binibid nila it's either start or end. So ngayon si Melbourne na yung start, nanalo na ulit si Melbourne na
Ah.
kanya na yung start.
For like 2 years ba yun na hindi nag-start si Melbourne?
Bahrain yata.
Ah.
Parang-
Okay.
oh, really? May year pa. Oh, this time akala ko first race of the year is dito. So, anyhow.
Last year lang ulit nag-start.
There you go, guys. I mean,
Yes.
normal lang yun.
So, what's our main topic in Checkered Thoughts? Anong ating, what are we unpacking this week?
So,
Ano
alam naman
naman
ako,
si George?
favorite ko nga ang chismis. So, in our first episode, one of the things that you guys mentioned is this George and Max K-drama,
The beef
K-drama season, K-drama episode. My first question is, when did it start?
Nag-start. Alam mo si George?
Wag mo muna. Pigilan mo muna yun. When did it start?
I just started noticing George having something with Max. No, ano pa lang, 2021 pa lang.
Oh, really? Ganun na katagal?
Si Hamilton and Max was the one who's
leading.
fighting over
Correct.
the
Yeah.
championship, di ba? Tapos, may mga tweet na si George, no? Basta may
Max.
incident na nangyari kay Max, between Max and Hamilton, meron na
Ah.
siyang tweet na hindi siya, approve.
Sandali. During that time, pag nagko-comment ng ganun si George, may comment ba si Max o Deadma?
Dead na.
Naman siya.
So nonchalant.
Lagi na lang parang sinasabi na, they can say what they want to say.
At saka, si Max, ang ano niya nun, si Hamilton, si
Yeah.
Lewis.
Sa bagay, correct. Parang,
Nagkisaw-saw lang.
And then there's
Well, really was
2023
sizable
Baku
damage
Sprint.
at the side of the car. That gives you an illustration of what Max Verstappen was dealing with.
Mate, we all have no grip. You all need to leave a little bit of space. But expect the next time the same. You know?
George Russell and Max Verstappen escalated after a 2024 Qatar Grand Prix qualifying incident where Verstappen was penalized for impeding Russell. So Verstappen accused Russell of lying to the stewards and losing respect for him, while Russell called Verstappen a bully and accused him of threatening to deliberately crash into him. So then, may nangyari like off track na naging petty yung dinner niya.
nakita ko na to. Oo.
Thanks to Liam Lawson naman that year.
So, no love lost 2025. So,
So, never na-clear yung issue nila ng, so 2021,
Wala lang yun.
Wala
Parang
lang yun.
nagsasaw lang si George.
Itong 2020, nung 2024, nasa DTS ba? Panoorin ko nga. Nung 2024, yung
I
ganung
think
comment,
so.
yung walang, hindi na resolve basically. Kumbaga may grudge siya right from there.
Ay, sinabi ni Max yun, I've never seen someone who really wants to screw over someone. Parang nung nasa stewards na daw sila. Kasi naman, to be fair, siguro George hater lang ako. Okay din naman kasi minsan talaga si George.
Hindi
Paano siya magreklamo?
Correct. Bakit naisip? Anong iniisip ni George?
Meron pa siyang
na may
sinasabi.
grudge si Max. Bakit sinisingle out pa siya ni Max?
Hindi naman. Baka yung nagsisingle out kay Max.
Exactly.
Sinasabi niya na Max is a bully, somebody has to stand up. Alam mo yun?
Feeling ko baka kasi ano nga niya si Lewis nun, di ba? Parang sobrang hero niya si Lewis. Maybe nung 2020.
Pero hindi na to wala na kanalaman si Louis.
Kaya
Silang
nga,
dalawa
parang
na-
nag-start nga doon and then
Nakikisaw-saw siya sa Lando versus Max.
Which brings us to our next topic. JM's feelings towards George. There you go, girl. Bring it out.
Ayun na. Wala talaga akong feelings kay George. Like,
Hindi ko din alam. Nung okay naman siya, I find him fine. Like, I don't have any strong
Yun nga, wala ka
strong
feelings.
feelings about him.
Oh, ikaw naman nga, when did it start?
Watching the replay now, Ted, on board with George Russell, who hits Bottas. Yes, because he gets onto the grass. So he's going for the overtake, gets onto the grass, gets a tank slapper, runs straight into Bottas.
What the was he doing? Honestly, is he a for what? What a Are you okay, Valtteri?
George Russell lashed out at him.
Siguro nga kasi yung mga niya, yung mga comments niya, yung mga ganyan niya, yung mga pagiging petty Karen.
Feeling ko siya, parang pot stirrer, ganyan.
May pagka-teacher's pet, may pagka-pot steerer, na may pagka-OA din.
Yung siya magsusumbong.
Oo, yung gano'n. Yung gano'n, lagi siya nasa radio, magpo-complain siya. Meron pa ang time na sinabihan pa siya ni Toto, nag-judge si Toto, George, just drive. Kaya parang parang gusto ko naman siyang gustuhin. May ganun.
Alaga ba? Parang hindi mo naman tinatry.
Pero kasi talaga, it's just rubbing me off the wrong way. I don't know why. Yung last nung sa Zandvoort, di ba? Yung nagreklamo na naman siya na in-overtake siya ni Leclerc. Tapos sabi ni Leclerc, he didn't give me enough space. Parang ganun, parang lagi siyang may ganung radio.
He just cut across me. He just fully turned into me. What the
Actually, I'm getting ahead of the guy.
Incredible job. George
George Russell on Sergio Perez, there's contact. Perez goes off at the chicane. George Russell and Perez making contact once more. Perez comes back out onto the track.
He hit me, man. He pushed me off. He just fully turned into me. I was up the inside. He just turned in and I had to take a curb.
So keep them within 5 seconds and might get a penalty.
You need to give the place back.
George, you can still do that on the track even.
Come on, guys, we need to do something. He went straight on. We need to have his time.
And George, we were not ahead there.
Front wheel to rear wheel is the rule if you're attacking. I was definitely from wheel to rear wheel.
George, keep your head down. You can hunt him down.
The Haas, into turn one we go. And do you know what? Tyres rubbing together like that, we don't often see a puncture because of that.
No, that was.
What the hell happened there?
You turn right into him, George.
Okay, plenty of space.
So
I mean, you didn't, George. You drove straight into the side of him.
what a fucking lie!
Meron pa yung, is it raining? I have something on, parang on my helmet, ganyan. Sabi siya sa engineer niya na, it's raining, hindi naman umuulan, yung pala pawis niya lang. Alam mo yung gano'n? Yung parang, there's something. There's something
I think it's for,
George.
it's for his Instagram. Kasi madalas siya niloloko dun na alternative career daw niya.
Is influencer.
Yun nga. Basta.
And I think siya yung una kong nakita nung lumabas siya sa DTS. Yun ang una kong napansin sa kanya. Palagi siya nasa
Oo, lagi siyang topless,
Oo,
ganyan.
may pose or something.
Oo, gano'n.
At saka yun, yung girl.
Pero siya yung chairman ng Drivers Association nila ngayon.
Oh,
Kaya siya epal. Kaya siya epal.
Union leader.
Kaya siya ganon, yun.
Union
So,
leader.
Kaya naman pala.
Oo, kailangan ng ganung personality.
Oo nga, oo. Kailangan embal kayo pag
Oo,
ganun.
union leader ka. Saka nirereklamo.
Hindi ko alam. Parang pagka, ayan na naman nila, Jenny George. Yung irritation ko, ayan na.
Ano sa'yo, si?
Kaya nga.
Ayun, sobrang siyang mareklamo, sobrang siyang Karen.
Ano na lang yan, every now and then,
Sorry,
guys.
George. It's just my feelings.
Correct.
Nothing
Not
about
personal.
you.
Nothing personal.
At George Ross.
Talagang inat, ni-mention. Sorry, George.
Anong tawag? We'll keep this feelings or this discussion open. So every now and then, we'll bring up any topic about Jordan and JM's feelings towards George. Malay nyo naman, in our 50th episode,
Love ko na si George.
Baka
Correct.
meet and greet ka na with George.
Kaya, malain mo, girl. Anyhow, that's it for our
The meme podium.
podium episode 2. So,
Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. See ya.
Rasta and Gossip. Bye-bye.